Page 95, number 41. Find all the maxima and minima and the x values where they occur. So our function is f of x equals 4 minus x plus x squared. So what we're looking for is anywhere there is a hill or a valley. Those are called local minima and maxima. And then if you have one hill or valley that is definitely the very lowest point or very highest point of the graph, then you have an absolute maximum or minimum. Now we're looking at a quadratic function, and when I look at the graph, what I see is that we have a minimum because it is an upward facing parabola, but that minimum could be considered a local minimum and a absolute minimum because it is indeed the lowest y value of the entire function. So I'm going to go ahead and sketch that. And so we have a y-intercept at 4. Okay. I don't know what's going on there. Come on. My little pen's not working. There we go. And so it's going to look like this for a rough sketch. And so what we're going to say is we have a local / absolute minimum oh boy, I can't spell today either. Of y equal to 3.75 at an x value of 0.5. In case you're wondering how I got that, I probably should have showed you. On the Inspire, I went to Menu, and I went to Trace and Graph Trace, and if I just trace, it will tell me where the minimum is, and there's the point. If you're in your 84, you want to go ahead and put the function in. So you do 4 minus x plus x squared, and then graph this, and then what you can do is find the vertex. So then you can hit second trace, choose minimum, and then we need to do a left bound and a right bound. So we're to the left of the minimum, we're to the right of the minimum, and then we can see it says 0.499999, so that's 0.5 and 3.75. So that's where our absolute / local minimum occurs.